Welcome to Kim Make. Today we want to talk about pressure relief valves. What is a PRV? Why is it important? What are the parts of a PRV and their functions? What are the types of pressure relief valves? So we shall answer these questions by the end of this video. A pressure relief valve is a valve used to control the pressure in a system. This protects the pressurized vessel or system during an overpressure event. It is a pressure relief valve designed to actuate on inlet static pressure and to reclose after normal conditions have been restored. So there are some pictures, some diagrams here that are showing parts of the PRV, which include the cape, the set pressure adjustment screw, the spring washer, the spring bonnet, the spindle, the guide, the disc holder, the disc itself, the nozzle. In this case, this is a direct spring PRV. We shall talk about the types later on. So parts of pressure relief valve. Number one, adjusting ring. This is a ring assembled to the nozzle and off gate of a direct spring valve used to control the opening characteristics and or the receipt pressure. Adjustment screw. This is a screw used to adjust the set pressure and or the receipt pressure of a closing pressure relief valve device. 3. Backflow preventer. The backflow preventer is a part or a feature of a pilot-operated pressure relief valve used to prevent the valve from opening and flowing backwards when the pressure of the valve outlet is greater than the pressure at the valve inlet. Bellows. Bellows is a flexible component of a balanced direct spring valve used to prevent changes in set pressure when the valve is subjected to a superimposed back pressure, or to prevent corrosion between disc holder and guide. Blowdown ring. This is a ring assembled to the nozzle and or guide of a direct spring valve used to control the opening characteristics and of the receipt pressure. 6. The body. The valve body is a pressure retaining or containing member of a pressure relief device that supports the parts of the valve assembly and has provisions for connecting to the primary or secondary pressure sources. A bonnet. Bonnet is a component of a direct spring valve or of a pilot in a pilot operated valve that supports the spring. It may or may not be pressure containing. Number 8, the cape. A cape is a component used to restrict access and or protect the adjustment screw in a reclosing pressure or relief device. It may or may not be a pressure containing part. Number 9, a diaphragm is a flexible metallic, plastic or elastomer member of a reclosing pressure relief device used to sense pressure or provide opening or closing force. Piston. Piston is a moving element in the main relieving valve of an open operated piston type pressure relief valve, which contains the seat that forms the primary pressure containment zone when in contact with the valve, the nozzle. Pressure containing pressure. Remember, this is a component which is exposed to and contains pressure. 12. Pressure containing member is the component which holds one or more pressure containing members together but is not exposed to the pressure. Lift lever is a device to apply an external force to a stem of a pressure relief valve to manually operate the valve at some pressure below the set pressure. Main relieving valve is a part of a pilot operated pressure relief device through which the the rated flow occurs during relief. Nozzle. The nozzle is a primary pressure containing component in a pressure relief valve that forms a part or all of the inlet flow passage. Seat is a pressure sealing surface of the fixed and moving pressure containing components. Spindle or stem is a part whose axial orientation is parallel to the travel of the disc. It may be used in one or more of the following functions: 1. Assist in alignment, 2. Guide disc travel, and 3. Transfer of internal or external forces to the seats. Spring. A spring is the element in the pressure relief valve that provides the force to keep the disc on the nozzle. The spring step or spring washer or spring button is a load transferring component in a pressure relief valve that supports the spring. The yoke. A yoke is a pressure retaining component in a PRD that supports the spring in a pressure relief valve but does not enclose the spring from the surrounding ambient environment. The disc. The disc is a movable component of a PRD that contains the primary pressure when it rests against the nozzle. The disc holder. This is the movable component in a pressure relief device that contains the disc. The dome is the volume of the side of the unbalanced moving member opposite the nozzle in the main relieving valve of a pilot operated pressure relief device. Field test. That's a device for in-service or bench testing of a pilot operated pressure relief device to measure the set pressure. The gag is a device used on reclosive pressure relief devices to prevent the valve from opening. The guide is a component in a direct spring or pilot operated pressure relief device used to control the lateral movement of the disc or disc holder. Handling chamber. The handling chamber is the annular pressure chamber between the nozzle exit and the disc or the disc holder that provides the force to obtain lift. So when the pressure system exceeds the preset value, the disc lifts and the flow escapes. This reduces the system pressure, and as the pressure reduces the set limit, again the valve dwells. So we're going to talk about the types of pressure relief valves. Number 1, restricted lift PRV. This is a PRV in which the actual discharge area is determined by the position of the disc. Full lift PRV is a PRV in which the actual discharge area is not determined by the position of the disc. Reduced bore PRV is a PRV in which the flow path area below the seat is less than the flow area at the inlet of the valve. Full bore PRV is a PRV in which the bore area is equal to the flow area at the inlet to the valve and there are no protrusions in the bore. Direct spring loaded PRV is a PRV in which the disc is held closed by a spring. Pilot operated PRV is a PRV in which a piston or diaphragm is held closed by system pressure and the holding pressure is controlled by a pilot valve actuated by system pressure. Conventional direct spring loaded PRV. This is a direct spring loaded PLV whose operational characteristics are directly affected by changes in the back pressure. Number 8, a balanced direct spring loaded PRV is a direct spring loaded PRV which incorporates means of minimizing the effect of back pressure on the operational characteristics, which include opening pressure, closing pressure, and relieving capacity. Then internal spring PRV is a direct spring loaded PRV whose spring and all part of the operating mechanism is exposed to the system pressure when the valve is in the closed position. Number 10, temperature and pressure relief valve. This is a PRV that may be actuated by pressure at the valve inlet or by temperature at the valve inlet. lastly, the power actuated PRLV is a PRLV actuated by an externally powered control device.